so I wanted to give you a short demonstration of what the Polestar 2 is like to drive when you have a rooftop tent on it, on top of the roof, obviously, because it does add a bit of wind noise, and it's quite a lot of wind noise. So this is probably going to be the worst case scenario as far as that with this kind of rooftop tent on it. Right now I'm doing 115 kilometers per hour, which is about, I don't know, 75 miles per hour, something like that. And I think this is the fastest I would go with it. But I'm gonna shut up so you can just listen to the wind noise that we're getting. And yeah. Oh, and by the way, this is I don't have the plus package, so this is with a solid roof. This is not the glass roof. So if you have the glass roof, I'm guessing that it's gonna be even more noisy. Tent that I'm having on here right now is the Wildland Desert Cruiser. Yeah, so that tent is about 222 centimeters long. It's like 150 centimeters wide, and the thickness of it is about 18 centimeters. So it's really compact. It's a hard shell aluminum construction. It's a really good tent. And I got it for a good price. Really nice guy there at Frilufts outlet that is selling these in Sweden. So yeah, but if we slow down, the wind noise gets a bit better. Now it's like I could have a conversation with a passenger, but not at 115. I have to be screaming all the time. Okay, so now you know what it would sound like if you would have